Hello everyone. Today I would like to discuss about future continuous tense. What it is? It is used to talk about an action that will be going on at a particular time in the future or continuing for some time in the future. So this is the syntax for future continuous tense. First one is subject plus. For the positive form, we have to use subject like I, you, he, she, it like that. Plus will plus be plus v1 plus ing form. So example is I will be starting. And the negative form, it will be subject plus will not or won't plus be plus v1 plus ing form. So for example is I will not be starting. And for the question form, the syntax is will plus subject plus be plus ing form. For example, will you be starting? So like this we use the future continuous tense. Let me take some examples. So for the affirmative sentences, tomorrow at this time we will be attending a party. So we are talking about tomorrow. And other example is tomorrow at this time I will be traveling. So for the negative example, tomorrow I will not be working, I will be at home. And for the interrogative sentence, will you be attending the class tomorrow? And one more is, will you be watching the show tomorrow? So like this, we have some more examples like, the baby will be sleeping at 7 p.m. We will be shopping tomorrow. I will be meeting my friend at 6 o'clock this evening. We will be having dinner at 9 p.m. So all these actions talking about the future. So what we are going to do in the future. So this is the main syntax like subject plus will be plus v1 plus ing form. Thank you.